Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Olymp trade. You will click on settings. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Olymp trade and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Olymp trade and you will enter. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next